Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. A new leak for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has been surfaced online in form of a promo official video. The video has been leaked by Abhishek Yadav on his Twitter account, which appears to be the part of the series that focuses on only two things, the cameras and the batteries, while making no mention of the chipset or even the 5G benefits. Promo highlighted the two main features of the device. One is going to be the camera sensor and the other one is going to be the battery capacity. The highlight of the cameras are the 30x of a space zoom and a single take AI and night mode. The expandable storage offers extra room to store all the photos and videos you will shoot with the phone. So of course the device has already been leaked on numerous occasions, so most of the fans of the Galaxy brand are probably aware of what the device has in store for them. As far as the battery is concerned, it is coming with 4500 mAh of a power cell that can describe as a fast charging and long lasting. But the video doesn't go into more details than that. However, the details of the device has been surfaced online in an infographic which gives us pretty much every details on the device. And also there is going to be an unofficial hands-on video that has been surfaced online by Jimmy the Promo, where the Samsung has also shared the trailer 2 of the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. The trailer does not unveil any details of the device, but one of the things which has been confirmed by looking at the trailer is that the device backside is going to coming in with the plastic panel. The trailer starts with "Your voice inspire us." Maybe that caption is going to be highlighting the features of the Bixby. As we already know that the Samsung Developer Conference for 2020 has been cancelled, and we might see those features which were unveiling on that event might be in the S20 Fan Edition. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition become available for pre-order shortly after 23 September, and pre-order incentives could include a free Galaxy Fit 2 or Xbox Game Pass subscription. The device promised to deliver more value for less money, but official price details are remain unknown. Until we find out more details about the device, if you are new here, do consider subscribing my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.